This is the HUAWEI Nova 10 SE smartphone, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can enable and set up the VPN/proxy connection on this device. So first of all, make sure that your smartphone is connected to the Wi-Fi, then launch the app gallery. At the search bar, you gotta type in TurboVPN, so TurboVPN. That's the app that we're looking for, so let's go ahead and install it. Now let's go ahead and launch it. Here you gotta tap on the agree and continue in order to proceed. And then if you would like to turn on the VPN, once it gets loaded and you skip the ad, just tap on this caret icon over here. And as you will be able to see now, the VPN has been successfully activated, which is visible by judging from the UI of this app, of course, but what is more important is being displayed at the status bar by this little key sign. You can also change the server that is being used from the list of, free servers. And in order to turn off the VPN, first of all, skip the ad, of course, and then tap on this little cross sign over here. Disconnect, and as you can see by the fact that this little key icon disappeared from the status bar, we have successfully been disconnected from the VPN. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.